everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to talk about where I get my wallpapers. I get asked all the time, can you share your wallpaper? And I just always respond back with the application that I use because it makes it a little bit easier and you have a ton of different options. So for example, on my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, what I was using from before is called Hidey Hole. It's a really good application you're able to use, and it's pretty much set up the exact same way as what I use for my Galaxy S20 devices. Now I say Galaxy S20 devices just because of the camera cutout and everything like that, so this will technically also work with the Galaxy Note 10, maybe, but I'm going to say stay safe with the Galaxy Note 10 using Hidey Hole. But for the Galaxy S20 series, I use UltraPix. Now, UltraPix is an application you can use that is for free. You don't have all of the features on the free option, but you are able to set it through this application, which I usually never suggest setting anything through the app. Always download it first and then actually set it up through your own gallery. So this was an application that I'm using right now. As I click on this one, I just hit on save. It saves inside of my gallery, and then I just go to the gallery and then I set as wallpaper. This was the wallpaper that I'm using, I believe, on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. There we go. So this is the one that I'm using right there. It works perfectly fine. And then again, I always hit on that little save button. So if you go through here on the first tab, this is going to be a way that you're able to explore. When you click on the second tab, this is showing you everything that is live. So if you like to see a live wallpaper, you'd be able to click one of those. It takes a second to load unless if you have it saved or you looked at it from before. And then on the very top, you have this one over here that is trending. So a lot of the ones that are trending, you'd be able to take a look at. When you tap on any of these and then you tap on the image, it's going to show you exactly what it'll look like as you set it up. And then for the very last category, these are anything that you have favorited. So on my Galaxy S20 Ultra, I do have many of them saved as a favorite, but the majority of the time, you're just going to go through this little explore button. And then the very top left-hand side, this is where you have your little menu. You can do the rate us, share in the application, go inside the settings. You can buy the developer's coffee. Underneath the settings, you can turn off notifications. I would suggest just turning these off so you don't always get a notification every single day. And you also have a color scheme if you wanted to change different colors, having an easier experience, maybe reading or taking a look at the wallpapers. But there's a lot of wallpapers sitting inside of here, and it just gets updated weekly. It's a really cool application, and it's just one of my favorites, but it's what I use. Again, I hope you guys have liked this video. If you did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe right over here in the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air.